Hi guys, welcome once again to another episode of Techly Things. Now I'm traveling on a JetBlue airline and it is the largest plane I've ever been on. So as a result of that, I decided that I will show you what inside looks like. Now remember, if you're new to the channel, just remember to subscribe so that you get all the videos that are posted or some like these. And if you want the latest ones, just remember to click the bell so as soon as they're posted, you'll be notified. So I'm just going through the checks to get inside of the plane. And as soon as I reach in, I'll let you see around.
We got you. Oh, here you got 53 Echo. Oh, here. You got 53 Echo on flight.
Oh,
Well,
that's the wrong one.
Atlanta to Grand Cayman.
You have the wrong
It's an easy mistake.
No.
But on this one,
Yeah.
yeah. So just want to. There's lots of. Want to just make sure you're in that one.
What you bought? 53?
It's all good. It's.
All right.
We're all good. Thanks for flying with us, you guys.
53? Huh? 53? That's what. So this plane big got here 53?
This is right on time. You need me to make something for you?
My 7 travels. Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
So the usual planes that I've traveled in are basically one passage, meaning that's 2 set of seats both sides of the plane. Now this plane has 3 set of seats and 2 aisles. So by far it is the largest I've been in. Now our seat is around the back. It's actually number 53E.
I lost from my trip this summer. I got like a bag tag, and it came disconnected and I lost the tag. So I found another one I had from Hard Rock Cafe. I went to pull it so I could get the name. It just went in like 5 pieces and like, oh, this should have been the same thing.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Yeah, I'm like, yeah, that way.
Yeah. I did that with some pajamas and I'm like,
How many rolls are there?
That's a good question.
this is where you can, on your,
Something about
oh yeah, they had that one we were AI.
I was just curious.
Yeah, as I say, try to find a spot for your bag though before you get back there though.
If there's any empty spots, put the bag up there. We could do this one right here.
Well, if you remember where
Good morning.
welcome aboard. The back bin space is filling up, so go ahead and place your bag in the first available bin space back to you. You are headed towards the back of the aircraft. Again, if you are headed towards the back of the aircraft, go ahead and place your bag in the first available bin that you see. There is no room in the back of the aircraft.
Remember 40.
I'll try 41.
The outside bins are bigger than the ones. You have a bigger bag for that bag. Go ahead and put that out.
Go closer to me.
The smaller bag and the inner bin. Thank you.
The other side too. Go back. I got it right here.
Eddie's right across the other side.
Oh, sorry. It's right there.
You want to welcome aboard? If you're currently in the aisle and you have any luggage, just go ahead and place them now on the open There's normal in the rear of the cabin. So once again, if there's any space around just letting you know that the bin of the window have a larger capacity to go overboard. Just make sure that there's a flat surface. Wheels in the first and instead of anything closed. Once again, there's no more space in the cabin. If you have any luggage, there will be more space. The front does not affect anything on the dial.
Oh, that's what this is. Remember the number, right? No, where that is. Spotlight
Will it fit? I don't think it'll fit.
It was a squishy
I know,
bag.
I know.
I can turn my bag this way. Shoulder.
For any of you who are currently in the aisle and have any rollerboards, you can see our flight attendants in the middle of the cabin where the bathrooms are. The flight attendant in the middle of the cabin will help you as they open their bin. So right now, right here, I see the order for opening up bin spaces.
So we finally reached. So we are actually in the middle aisle, or the middle row. Now, once you're on Delta airline, the seats, the back of the seat are as TV viewing, so you can view the trip or the traveling destination, the distance, the height, how long it will take you from your traveling destinations. There's so much information that you can find on the TV here. You can also view movies and also listen to songs or music. There's also games to do. So I'm gonna go to the restroom and show you just a little bit of what inside looks like. So I'm actually up in the skies now, and I've been there for a while, so I decided to just have a look around. The normal restrooms in a plane, you normally have one at the back This one has two, and there are also two at the front. And here it is. Very small, very compact. That there is for when mothers or dads are changing their kids. The toilet is just below the camera there. Those are tissues or napkins. You have a small mirror, which is there. Here is where you wash your hands. If you see you notice the red and the blue. The red means hot. The blue actually is cold. So once you turn it on, you press the button of the temperature that you want, and it normally turns off by itself. And there's napkin there that you use to dry your hands. So this takes us to another episode, to the end of another episode. And this is Duke Rick once more saying, peace out.